story time. I was on the way to work and I saw this car in the rearview mirror. So I saw this Scirocco and it was just egging me on. So my 25 horsepower Civic, I went to smoking. So we're racing down the road at about 5,000 miles an hour and I'm negative 20. So he didn't want the smoke and he went his way. Wait guys, because it's not over. Because he later messaged me on Instagram saying my left number plate was wonky and my left brake light was out with a winky face, like a cheeky guy. He can't even spell brake for me. He's giving me a cheek. This is a violation. Right, so we've got one here, and this one. So we're gonna bust out the trim removal tool. Let's get to work. So you find the retrospective headlight, rear light, whatever you call it, and there'll be this little bit here. There's a lot of light spill, but here you've got a little notch there to put your trim removal tools in. So we get to work now. So now this is off. We come in there, we can see the one at the very top is the one that we need. So I believe it's a push in or twist, or just twist, and it will come out. Let's take a look. And by the way, if you came in because of the thumbnail, you guys got clickbaited, man. Do not get towed away for a green light. As you can see there, we've taken it out, and it looks like this. We'll unplug it, see what it is, get a new one. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what I'm looking for. I think it's around here. So we've got these P215W. It says it on there. It does say 212 on this bulb here, but it should work. Right, so we have the bulb bit there. So the bulb that used to be in there, you just basically pushed in, twist, so it's pushed down. I'm not quite sure which way it goes in, but either or. If I blow one, I blow one. Let's get these ones put in. Come in a pair. So, I mean, there's no markings, so hopefully, out of luck, that should be it done. Let's plug it in, not put it in the moment just in case it doesn't blow up, and then put the brake and see if it works. Just plug it in like that. Cool. So if you look straight in there, you'll see my hand in a couple of seconds once I figure out what way this needs to go. Anywhere.
I'm trying to get the red in the way, mate.
Sorry. I have to somehow find a way to twist it.
Twist it around.
There we go. Right, cool. Man's not gonna get stopped by police. So thanks, Jack. I'll link to you in the description. This is it. Done. £4 for two, so £2.50 for one. Quick maths.
Hey.
Done. Don't worry about that. See you guys in a bit.